Hello and welcome to another tutorial from Vaultuz. This one looks at people. From your dashboard quick menu you can add a partner or a client. Same with the quick menu from the navigation pane. A partner is somebody who provides you a service, a client is somebody who's purchased something from you. If you go down to your people's page, you can add a new client or partner from here. I'm going to add in a new client. I'm going to add a Gary. Put in an email address, whether or not they're signing up to your newsletter, a phone number, let's give them an address, and add some notes. I'm going to add a note in here to follow up with Gary about a commission. If we select this new person, we can see all the additional details that we can collect around them. You can add a photo, change their name, add additional details. There's also the ability to add in files based on this person. The value widget shows how much this customer or client is worth to you, what kind of originals they bought, ancillaries, the pieces they have, and the events that they're attendees of. In the communications pane, you can see the feedback and comments that they've left you on your particular items. In your notes, you can add additional details. I'm going to amend this typo. At the top of the page, you can change what type of person Gary is. For example, at the moment he's a client, but because we're going to chase up on a commission, I'll change him to a lead. He could also be a partner or an event attendee. When we go back to the people's page, we'll get a list of our people. There's the ability to delete them and also check what type they are. Okay, thank you so much for your time. I'll see you in the next tutorial.